What's up, guys? So lately, we've done a bunch of meal preps and quick desserts. Today, we're gonna keep the quick, make it somewhat of a meal prep, and give you choice. These protein pancake muffins can be made sweet or savory, are great in bulk, and are macro balanced. If you're looking for something easy you can take with you in the morning, these are definitely worth a try. So let's jump right into it. Speaking of sweet or savory, what's your preference? A nice steak or the best cake of your life? Drop it below. All you need here is a mixing bowl, unless you're using cottage cheese, then grab a blender or food processor. Add right into it 6 ounces of Greek yogurt, we'll talk more about flavors in a second, 2 large whole eggs, 4 ounces of milk or milk substitute, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or coconut oil, 2 scoops of protein powder, and the magic ingredient, 1 cup of pancake mix. You can also make your own here, which I'll throw on the screen. Now let's talk about flavors. If you're going savory, use plain Greek yogurt and unflavored protein powder. Add in things like cooked lean ground beef, turkey or sausage, deli ham, bacon bits, shredded cheese, bell peppers, spinach, chives, garlic or onion powder, various seasonings. The list is endless. For sweet muffins, use a flavored Greek yogurt and protein powder that both complement each other. Add in a couple tablespoons of a sweetener or some honey, vanilla extract, chopped up fruit, nuts, sugar-free chocolate chips, and so on. I'm gonna put a bunch of my favorite variations with the exact amounts I use, along with all of their metric conversions, other tips, and more substitutes on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue by mixing all of your ingredients right until smooth. Don't overmix, that's the enemy of a good muffin here. Evenly distribute your mix into a muffin pan or some silicone cups. The choice is yours here. Big, small, average, use whatever you have. You should also account for any ingredients you're gonna add into them while filling up your spots. Leave enough room. Last, top or cut your filling ingredients into them and put them into the oven on 325 for 15 to 18 minutes, depending on the size muffins you're making. In the silicone cups, that's how long they take me. If you're making mini or jumbo muffins, they'll obviously take less or more time. In the end, they should look like this. Couple tips for these. Number 1, you want to use cottage cheese instead of Greek yogurt? Give it a quick whip in a blender or food processor until smooth, and add it into your mixing bowl. Number 2, use a regular pancake mix, not the high protein one, unless you want burnt tops. Number 3, speaking of burnt tops, that happens, throw them on the bottom rack for next time, or turn your oven down a bit more, since it might run a bit hot if you've never checked its calibration. You can buy one of these, which I'll link to below. I usually check mine once a year, and I've had the same one for over 10 years. Number 4, store them in the fridge, where they should last around 5 to 7 days, depending on what you put inside them. The winner of our last testing or guesstimating for the rice was, bang, congrats to you. For this week's testing or guesstimating, we're going with 2 of our muffins. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store, where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one or to simply help the algorithm. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Also, if you made it this far, comment down below and write muffin top. Muffin top.